Our country has a culture of respecting nature and environment, and it is a part of our daily living activities. We get food items from nature and we are dependent on nature. If we forget this and destroy the nature, we only destroy ourselves. A cause means an idea or a mission which a group of people believe in and support. An example of a common cause is that of caring for the environment. If the environment is cared for, everyone will benefit from it, and if we do not protect the environment, all will suffer. A clear goal. Naina Verma was a lawyer who had given up all the comforts and was living with the village folks. Naina Verma stood before the crowd of men and women of the tribal village Bergar, situated on the fringes of Bakula forest, where children are playing and elders are discussing about serious issues. This time the matter was quite serious. It was one that was going to affect their livelihood, lifestyle, culture and their existence. All the villagers were all under severe pressure. The government has announced that they are going to build a road to connect with the national highway, so all the tribal peoples have to move from this location to somewhere they shall provide Paka houses. It was not a pleasant news for the villagers. They had been living there for generations. Everything there was sacred to them, the trees, the animals, the birds, the gushing streams and the Manasi Devi temple. They all raised their voice and said, "We collect honey, we pluck fruits and berries, we grow our vegetables, we graze our animals, our children grow on Mother Nature's lap, so we cannot leave this place." Naina Verma listened to the villagers and said, "Let's write out a petition first and hand it over to the collector. If no action is taken, then a small group of our leaders will seek an appointment with the collector." And the villagers said, "Will that work out? We hear that the contractor Vikas Das is behind the whole affair. He wants to make money in this deal." Then the youngsters said, "Let's lead a morcha and inform the newspaper people." Naina Verma said, "First of all, let's draw out an alternate plan. You all know the entire area so well in every detail. Try and find out if a road could still be planned without the need to have it go through our villages." The elders, a few women and one high school boy sat down to sketch the area and look for an easy route for laying the road. Naina Verma watched them at work, and she also understood the task of getting the change made was not going to be easy. Naina Verma was not the person to lose heart. Her goal was clear. The welfare of the people is her goal. She went through the plan and she made changes here and there. The road was a longer one but did not interfere either with the settlements there nor did it need any drastic clearing of the forest. Getting an appointment with the collector was not difficult, though it took some time. The collector was a decent person who quickly grasped the problem and willingly listened to the villagers. Naina Verma stood by only to interrupt when needed. The project took months to be cleared, for there were hurdles at every step, but Naina Verma pursued with determination to see happy ending.